Hello everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is my day one. For see, my phone is now hanging. I don't know why it's happen all the time. Okay, I hope it now stay. Actually, I bought a sticker, wall sticker, so I can stick on my phone behind the phone cover, and then I can stick any of the mirror or any wall. So it's kind of that. But when I stick and try to record myself, then it will pull off automatically, pulled off. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, I'm don't judge me. Today I'm here because of I wanted to practice my English only. But I one idea it comes pop on my mind. I need to make a video because lots of people are struggling like me. They wanted to start, but they don't know where they need to start. So please don't judge me. I am also a learner. I am also on a beginner stage. It's been only 1 month. I started my this journey, English speaking journey. So please kindly don't not judge. So the first of all, I'm Hindi medium, so don't think I'm from English medium. I belong from Hindi medium, and I before 1 month I don't know about like why people are uh, speaking English so fluently, like how and why. I feel our mother tongue is Hindi, and we are in Indian, so we need to speak in Hindi only, right? Why we are speaking English like a foreigner? We are not a foreigner, but even though I went for my interview and I saw there are lots of girls, lots of means the interview time is 10 to 12, and some of the girls came 2 hours prior that interview. It means they they think it will might be after some time there will be more crowd than usual, so they came 2 hours prior, but I have no idea about that, so I went on time like 10 minutes prior. So what I saw, I was in 90 number, 90, yes, 90 number. Even I don't have any idea. Right to so so I went over there. Then I saw they when I went to the interview, and then I saw lots of girl over there in the hall. So there is a one sir from that airlines. I went for airlines interview actually. So I saw there one sir, and they collected all the girls' resume, and they it he has a page. He made a group, like group number 1, and there is a 10 number 1 2 3 till 10, and there another group second. So these kind of, so I was in 9 group. I was in group number 9, and my number was 5th, means 95 girls already came. So my number was they given a sticker, and we need to stick over here. That is a white color sticker. So my number was 95, yeah, 95. So then we went inside the hall, and we just sat over there. So lots of, even actually me and one of my friend, we wanted to go together, but I don't know why she messaged me in the morning. She's not going. So even I got ready, so I think I let's go, like there is nothing to go alone, there is no problem, right? And I'm from Mumbai, so I can go anywhere in Mumbai. So I went over there, and then I sat inside the hall, and actually there is lots of girls, they are so groomed, they looking so beautiful. Literally, when I saw them, I also did my makeup, I also did lots of things, but when I saw them, my confidence is suddenly go low, go down, because I didn't know about that, like this much grooming they knew. Even I have worked in beauty industry, so I groom well. Like they told in lots of videos, groom, just don't groom over, just groom light, and you can hide your whatever your concern on your face. So I do lots of whatever I have in the makeup, but I was in grooming, proper grooming. So my confidence was suddenly go down, went down. Sorry for grammatical mistake. It was my first video, so I'm a camera shy person. So please don't judge. I'm telling again. So I then the HR came, and they two of the HR, and one for medical round, and the one who is taking our first interview, like group discussion kind of. So she came, and she tells some a little about her company, like that company rules and regulation, and then she tell ourselves, we don't want to, we don't like, if you do not know makeup, so we can improve your makeup. If you do not know body language, we can improve that as well, but we want from you guys only your communication skill, none other than communication skill. Body language and everything, it is fine, we can improve in 1 month, because we have the training. After selection, we have the training for 3 months, so we are giving that training as well. So but in 3 months you can't improve your English, right? So we need from your communication and your, like how the way you speak, fluency. So each by one, all girls are going, they call one group number one, and then you need to just stand up and uh, be in the line. That is they created the line 1 to 10 with the group number first. So when group number first is going inside, then if you are in group number second, so you just stand up and just you create the line. So the process happened like this, right? So after group number 8, I was in group number 9, and then I stand up, and I I have fear. I don't know why. I judge myself only. They are not going to judge any person, but I judge myself. I feel they are so beautiful girls over there. Why they select me? What I have like that them? When I saw them, there is so like some of the experienced crew over there, but when I saw myself, I didn't see any skill on me. I feel so, yeah, but I have the faith, and I stand up on my line. And after some time they called group number 9, please come inside. So we went. We are 10 girls. So my chair was in front of the HR. Think front of the HR. So we set that chair, and then she asked, talk about social service, and she take the other girl's name. That is the first number might be. So they talk. Every girl might. Every girl talk so nicely, because when your first interview and you have no idea about that what the question is they are going to ask, then you have fear, right? So when it comes my turn, then I spoke. I don't know what I spoke, but I spoke, yes ma'am, I have given the so many social service in the road. I didn't remember what I spoke, but I was so nervous, no, so nervous. And the HR, right now I'm talking with you with eye to eye contact, right? So she, the HR, she's just staring on my eyes, and literally I can't ignore her eyes. I can't see here and there. So that's why I feel so nervous. Literally, my legs are shaking, but I still speak till 2 minutes. To might be 1.5 minutes. So after that, the next girl's number came, and she just say one line. I don't know about that, and like she need to speak something. I feel so it happened, and then HR tell us, sorry girl, you all can leave for the day. You can apply next time. Means you are all are rejected. Means I got rejected as well, and every girls are got rejected, which they present on that group number 9. So like that. So yeah, it happened, and I was literally I was so sad, because I didn't remember these kind of question, and if they are going to ask these question. I remember like people, lots of girls still in the YouTube channel, they ask only introduction and why you want to become a cabin crew, and very behavioral kind of question. This question is also nice, but I never thought, I never heard about the social service word. If she asked to me customer service, so I have lots of example in customer service. I can tell her very in the beautifully way. But if she asked me the social service, so yeah, now I when I came home, so I searched a lot about what is social service and how we can answer to social service. I asked to chat GPT, and yeah, so but every rejection is the process of selection, so don't worry, and we will be selected, right? We will be one time the high. Don't worry guys. And so this is my story of one day cabin crew. So we will meet the next video, because this video is too long. So 12 or 30 minutes already. So please guys support me, and if you have any query about any kind of interview, so I'm not the right person, go and ask to another person, okay? Because I'm also a beginner, I'm not experienced person. But this is my day one to record myself in English language. In the next video, I'll tell you how I can improve English this much, okay? And what we can do for improving our English, and why we are stuck here, why we feel lots of burden when someone says you need to speak English, okay? So we need to do that first, then then lots of video will come in daily basis, because I am taking a challenge, 30-day challenge, so I need to record myself on at least 10 to 15 minutes per day, so you will get daily video. So just stay tuned and subscribe my channel. And if you are not subscribed, that's okay, because I'm not here for subscribing my channel. I'm just here for improve my spoken English, okay? Because let me tell you why I started this record myself session and the challenge. Because one of the I have watched the video, the Sandeep Maheshwari sir, he is guided to some other person, but I took that um, idea personally, because I am that boat, okay? So I took that idea personally. He told, if you want to improve your confidence skill, if you want to improve your English, just make a YouTube channel. And because in YouTube channel no one are going to judge you, right? So no one is going to judge you, and if anyone can judge you, so you don't know him and he also don't know you, but you can record yourself and just post on YouTube, just post on YouTube, and then you will see the difference. When you record daily basis, then you will see the better difference. Okay, so you also need to do the same thing. If you need to do, if you want to do something out of the box, so you need to do act out of the box. Okay, just make one thing. If you feel I am stuck here, so just be calm and sit at any calm place, and just think what is your mindset. Whatever your mindset, you need to do opposite your mind. Okay, because your mind don't want to you be success, so that's why you need to do. If your mind want to sleep, so just you need to wake up and do something productivity. Play with your mind, then you will, when you come out of your comfort zone, then it will be good for you and it will be good for everyone. Okay, so bye bye guys, stay tuned and come, I'll make another video and I'll post tomorrow as well. Okay, so bye bye, hit the bell icon, bye bye.